Welcome to the video Google AdWords, an introduction, presented by freeleadsclub.com. In the following video, we will tell you about the Google AdWords program, what it is, and why it is important for your business. By far, Google is the #1 search engine used by people around the world. It gathers and organizes information on the internet and makes it available to searchers online. When users search using Google, a number of results are displayed and ranked according to various criteria, starting with the most relevant results first for the search terms entered. These results display on the left side of the search results page, and Google does not accept payment to place websites or documents higher in its rankings. If you have a website and you want visitors who will participate in your business, you could work hard using search engine optimization to get your site ranked high in the free natural search rankings. But there is also another way you could leverage the popularity of Google to drive traffic to your site, and that is by purchasing advertising in the Google AdWords program. Every month, approximately 80% of internet users in the United States and hundreds of millions more worldwide view AdWords ads. Wouldn't you like to get instant access to this vast audience of potential customers? With AdWords, you can. Let's explain more how Google AdWords works and then tell you about how to understand the AdWords pricing model. With Google AdWords, you pay to place small, simple, effective ads in front of people who are searching for information related to keywords that you choose. AdWords ads are most commonly in the form of text ads, then in image and animated ads. There are also video ads, local business ads, and mobile ads. You use AdWords to place ads on the Google network, which includes thousands of high-quality search and content sites in addition to the Google search results pages. The Google network is divided into the Google Search Network and the Google Content Network. You're probably most familiar with the AdWords ads that appear in the Google Search Network, so let's talk about those first. So for example, let's say a searcher enters organic health products in the search query box. On the left side of the page, Google will display a list of search results like websites, articles, blogs, etc. for that search term ranked by relevance. Then, on the right-hand side of the page, Google displays AdWords ads that link to businesses and websites related to the keywords organic health products. So if you wanted to advertise your website and business to people who are interested in organic health products, you would sign up for an AdWords account and create ads for that search term. You activate your account, and for each ad, you select the keywords associated with it. The AdWords system will constantly seek out search queries related to the keywords you have chosen and then display your ad or ads on the right of the search results when someone searches using those words. Therefore, people who will see your ads are already looking for information regarding those queries. In other words, you are placing your ads in front of people who are already interested in what you are offering, and hopefully some of them will click on your link and go to your website. As mentioned, you can also place ads on the other part of the Google network, the Google Content Network, where your ad will appear on news pages, topic-specific websites, blogs, and other properties of Google like Gmail. AdWords ads can appear on a web page if the content and domain of the page relate to the ad. There are two ways you can target ads with AdWords. The first is called keyword targeting. You select the keywords that will trigger your ads to appear where you specify on the Google network. Placement targeting allows you to choose the individual sites in the Google Content Network where you want your ad to appear. With a combination of keyword and placement targeting, you have a great deal of control over your ad placements to reach exactly the audience you want. Now let's talk about how the pricing of AdWords works. There are two ways to pay for using AdWords. The first is called cost per click, or CPC. This means that you set a bid for what you will pay each time someone actually clicks on your ad. You pay nothing if your ad is displayed but no one clicks on it. The second way to pay for ads is to set a bid on CPM, or cost per impressions. The M is the Roman number for 1,000, so CPM means the cost per 1,000 impressions. It doesn't matter if anyone clicks your ad or not. You still pay for every 1,000 times your ad appears on one of Google's partner sites. This method is only available for ads you place on the Google Content Network, not on the Search Network, whereas CPC is available on both networks. Now for both CPC and CPM pricing, you determine your bids. Except for a nominal one-time activation fee, there is no minimum spending limit. You have precise command over your spending to ensure you can make it work for your business. You set your spending limits depending on your advertising goals, paying only for the clicks and/or impressions that your ad receives. You can also adjust your campaign to pay less per click and still get a placement with higher ranked search results, or perhaps even on the first page for the keywords you choose. With your bid amounts for CPC and CPM, the total cost for your ads is also determined by your quality score and your daily budget. Let's first discuss quality score. Quality score is the basis for measuring the quality of your keywords and your ad and is the most important factor in determining the amount you pay when someone clicks on your keyword targeted ad. Quality score is determined by the relevance of your ad text, historical keyword performance, and other relevancy factors, as well as your click-through rate, which is a way of measuring how well your ad performs. The more relevant your ad is, the more often users will click on them. Click-through rate is calculated as number of clicks divided by number of impressions or views times 100 to return a percentage. So the higher your quality score, the less you pay for an ad position and vice versa. You can work to improve your quality score and lower your CPC. You can also regulate how much you spend using AdWords with the daily budget feature. You can decide exactly how much you want to spend on a specific campaign on a given day. Google AdWords will show ads as often as possible to meet your daily budget and stop showing them when your budget is met. The system will also provide daily budget recommendations based on historical click data for the same or similar keywords you choose for your ads plus other factors. Of course, you're always in charge and you can edit your daily budget as often as you want. The Google AdWords program is an excellent way to get exposure for your business website using the popularity of the Google network, especially since you can decide exactly what your costs will be per day and use the tools provided to optimize your campaign. Let's explain more about the benefits of using Google AdWords. Google has the largest network on the internet, so by using Google AdWords, you can gain instant maximum exposure for your business website. So there are 4 main reasons that AdWords can be a great addition to your other internet marketing efforts. The first is cost. AdWords is cost-effective for businesses of all sizes. Even if you are just starting out, using the daily budget tool will allow you to optimize a campaign that fits your budget no matter how big or small. You can easily predetermine how much you will pay per day in order to get the maximum return on your advertising investment. One thing about using the pay-per-click method is that it gives you immediate results. Unlike other forms of advertising where you pay only for impressions, views, with PPC you pay only if someone actually visits your site. If you can figure out the percentage of people who will convert or participate in your business out of all the visitors to your website, then you can accurately dial in the AdWords system to work for you and your budget on Google immediately, even if your page is still not ranked high in the free natural rankings. The second reason is the targeting advantage Google AdWords gives you. Using Google AdWords allows you to easily target your ads specifically to certain websites and people that are looking for what you are offering, so you will not pay needlessly to show ads to those who won't be interested in buying from you. As you continue to use AdWords and become more proficient at it, you'll run multiple ads with different combinations and targeting in order to optimize your results. The third reason that AdWords can be of great benefit for you is timing. One of the great advantages of Google AdWords is that the ads engage potential customers at precisely the right moment, when users are actively searching for information, keywords, or content related to your business. Your AdWords ads ensure that your website is only a single click away and that visitors will be already interested in what you are offering when they arrive. The fourth reason to use AdWords is the great deal of flexibility and control you can get from using it. For example, if you edit an existing ad, you can see your updates within 15 minutes. Also, you can edit your account at any time, as often as you like. AdWords is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Ads start running for the first time almost immediately after you activate your account with your credit card or direct debit information. You have total control how much you pay per impressions or per click, while ensuring you are targeting the people you want to attract on either the Google Search Network, Content Network, or both. If something isn't working, you can change and adapt very quickly, and if something works really well, you can build on that success and get as much out of it as you can. With this kind of flexibility, you can control exactly how you want your campaign to run. In combination with the AdWords pricing system and other tools like the quality ranking and the daily budget tool, you can use the world's most popular search network and Google AdWords to benefit and grow your business. Thank you for watching the video Google AdWords, an introduction, where we have introduced you to Google AdWords, what it is, and why it can be so beneficial to your online business. This video has been presented by freeleadsclub.com.